So at this point, what we want to do is I want to begin with documentation. And for me, in most cases at this point, I always have two drawings. I go to save as and save this one as, I go to save as and I have another one that I save as 3D. So the one for 3D is the one that I will take to Twinmotion, because then I'm supposed to, that one I'm going to add on, like you add on sometimes more things to make it look more appealing, and the you want to do maybe add in some vegetation, some parts. Yeah, you want to do a little bit extra things. So I save as two drawings. But for now, with this one, what we want to do, and then another one I will leave it, which I'll take it to documentation, because the one for documentation is a little bit different. So this one we're going to go with it to documentation. Yeah, so I'll go and of course you save this one and then you save as the other one as 3D. So let me save this one as tutorial 3. So the one for tutorial 3 is the one that we are going with to what we want to do. So I think I had a folder for tutorial. So tutorial 3. Tutorial 3 is the one that we're going with to documentation. So of course, I had said before, you make sure that you have drawn your drawing within this box. You make sure that you have drawn your drawing within this box. When you're beginning to draw something, you make sure it is within this box. So let's begin with the north elevation. So what I want to do is you just want to generate, you want to do the fields and everything. So I'm going just to do one, and yeah, the other one I'll do them, but I'll see. So you right click and you go to elevation settings, and you want to change the general to drawing. And also there is a trick that you can be able to do, and you'll be able to generate your drawings automatically without not going through a lot of this work. And for this one, I'm going to ungroup, and then I click. So to ungroup, I've pressed Ctrl Shift and G, and then of course this one is the roof. This one again, Ctrl T. So you don't have even to press Ctrl T. Once you have selected me and you change, for me, I like to use roof tile 06. And I set this one to 1, and this one I'm going to set it to white 19. So you just repeat the same thing for the roof. Once you're done with the roof, you go to the walls. And this one 19, and this one, for me, I like using roof 06. Okay, you don't have to use what I'm using, you can use your own. And when I come to the walls, you can as well select multiple walls. You can select multiple. To select multiple things, you hold Shift and you select what you want. So and then for this one, I'm going to use I like using the block running bond, and yeah, go with, of course, 1 and 19 for me. For you, you can use what you want. So I did not select this one. I'm going to repeat again, block running bond, I mean, and I'm repeating the same thing over and over. And maybe I might want this one to be black, so you can do this, and of course this one too. Or you can make it concrete if you want. You can make it concrete because it will be concrete, so it makes sense. Yeah, and if I want, I can make, this one was the molding or the architrave on my windows. I can, or the casing, I can turn it to black. At times it looks more better. So basically this is because I do this, not only me, but many more people also, because when you go to print it on the blueprint, this way it looks more nicer anyways. So yeah, but it depends with you. You can do your own thing that you think. At times you don't have to go through all of this, and I think from this point onwards I'll just do it I'll do for them all, because then it's a repetition of the same thing over. Like what I'm doing for this window is what I'm going to do for this window, then this one. So it's a repetition of the same thing over and over again. So I think by just doing this one, you can be able to do the rest on your own. I don't have to make a long video, right? I don't have to make a long video. Well, because I'm basically going to repeat the same thing with filling the elevations. So I think this one is okay.